Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the sensitive content control settings on Instagram using your iPhone or Android. This lets you choose how much sensitive content Instagram recommends to you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Content Preferences under the What You See section, then tap on it. Now tap Sensitive Content. You'll see three options: Less, Standard, and More. If you want Instagram to show you less sensitive content, such as sexually suggestive or violent posts in Explore, Search, Reels, and Recommendations, select Less. If prompted, tap Confirm. If you're comfortable seeing more recommended content that may be considered sensitive, select More, then tap Confirm. Or you can leave it on Standard, which is Instagram's default setting. Once you've selected your preferred option, simply go back. Your changes are saved automatically. And that's it.